Number 35, custom 70 Chevy Nova. Man, I can't tell you how many of these things I had over the years. But that is nice. Really, really nice. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. We just got some boxes in from our friends at Hot Wheels. Mailman just brought them. Let's get the trusty fishing knife, open them up, and see what is in here. I have no idea what is in here. This says 956G. So, of course, it's the premium series. And let's see what it is. And there we have it. We have the, oh, look at that, Superbird. There you go. This is the Boulevard series, 1970 Plymouth Superbird. Let's open them up and see how many here. Of course, in these cases, there are two sets of everything. So, another Superbird. We got the Volkswagen Classic Bug. Another of them, we got the 66 Pontiac GTO, and put that over there. We got the custom 70 Chevy Nova, and another one, the DMC DeLorean, one of Chris Walker's favorite cars. All right, so we are going to take each and every one of them, and we are going to look at them a little bit closer. All right, so let's see, we got 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 are the numbers for each one of these. First one up, number 31, is the Volkswagen Classic Bug, and that looks pretty cool. Got a purple and cream paint job on it. The wheels, man, those are cool. Some kind of new style 5-spoke there. Got big ones in the back, little ones in front. Interior is cream also. Window looks to be clear. Front end, of course, done up really nice. The headlights, tail lights done up. Got a license plate, real long license plate in the back, so it must be one of the European, the longer license plates there. Let's see, you got a metal base, of course, blue tint metal base, and the tires are rubber, of course. It's really cool. It's got the running boards are part of the blue tint metal base on it. Looks really, really nice. The wheels, like I said, I don't know what they are. The new style, it's a new style 5-spoke, and they are chrome, of course. Really cool. Nice, really nice. You can see the exhaust coming out the back there too. Doesn't have the big header hanging out of it, but it's got a smaller header coming out the back. Cool. It is purple and cream. The Volkswagen Classic Bug. Oh, it's a split window too. So there you go. 1966 Pontiac GTO. Looks like it's done in a Pontiac color there. Got a lot of metallic in it. The interior is black. Window is tinted really light on it. Grill, really nice. It's black in the centers. The headlights, also nice. Tail lights, the whole rear panel there, done nicely. Says Pontiac written out in the back. Let's see, got GTO on the fender also. A door handle and lock are done. It's got a nice black pinstripe right down the side too. The wheels are all small chrome, look like rocket wheels all the way around it, and of course on treaded, not slicks, but treaded rubber tires. And there it is, 66 Pontiac GTO. Number 33 is the 70 Plymouth Superbird, and that is done in a nice yellow, no metallic in that at all. Got Plymouth on the sides, got the Roadrunner up on the wing. The front end, it's got the blacked out headlights on it. The hood's got hood pins. And let's see, the back, the taillights are done up. It says Plymouth across the back. And it is really, really nice. Interior is black, and the window looks to be clear. The wheels are, looks like chrome reverse. That's pretty neat. It also has, looks to be chrome trim around the windows also. So there it is, 70 Plymouth Superbird. Number 34, DMC DeLorean. And like I said, this is one of Chris Walker's favorite castings, and the real car. He would love to have a real DeLorean. It is no paint, of course. DeLoreans never had paint on them. They're just stainless steel. So there it is. That is really neat. The headlights are done up. The front grille got DMC in the front. Got the directional lights. The back tail lights are done up really nice. It says DMC in the license plate in the back. Interior is black. Windows are clear. Got shades, a shaded rear window on it. That's pretty neat. And the base is a semi-gloss black painted metal base. The wheels are, I don't know what you would call those, but they are chrome and they look like a 7-spoke. And they are also on rubber tires. Really cool looking ride. The DMC DeLorean. Number 35, custom 70 Chevy Nova. Man, I can't tell you how many of these things I had over the years. But that is nice. Really, really nice. It's done in a dark gray enamel, no metallic in it at all. The hood is gloss black. And the, let's see, the interior is black. It's got a red roll cage, dark red roll cage in there also in the back. Window is tinted pretty good on it. The rear spoiler is black. The front grille looks to be, yeah, it is. The front grille is part of the base, which is painted black. It is semi-gloss black. And let's see, the tail lights are done up nice on it. It's got a wide body kit on it, and got some black striping on the side, a little bit of red on the front fender. The door handle is done, and so is the door lock. The wheels are a 5-spoke, dark gray, and they are, of course, on big, fat rubber tires. That is a really cool looking ride. So there you go, the Hot Wheels Boulevard series, the latest ones from Hot Wheels. They are the G assortment, and they are from our friends at Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV, appreciate it. Please share our videos, please tell your friends, please subscribe, and of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.